In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the text to pattern option in Adobe Illustrator, which has recently had an update that allows you to select the density level for the patterns you create. And you can also you can access the text to pattern from the swatches panel and reset the color and tone. So first, I have my square here and I want to use the square to create a pattern. So I have my square and you can access it in the fill options by selecting the text to pattern, which as you can see is still a beta version, or you can go to object and choose pattern and then choose generate patterns, which is the same option. It's also beta as you can see. And if you click this, then you get this new window, and in the new window you can give in a prompt. So describe what you want to create or get a prompt from Illustrator as inspiration. So if you click this, it will give you options for prompts. I think the tropical forest leaves is a nice option. And in this window, you can also add colors from a color palette. So you can apply color presets. You can choose here maybe a vibrant color, number of color if you leave it to auto, then it will choose itself, or you can choose the amount of colors you want to use. You can also specify your colors, and you can specify up to 12 colors if you want to. So that's here, and you can clear all if you want to get rid of what you specified and start over again. You can add effects to your creation, like shown here, geometric, flat design, or doodle. And here is the option to see all the settings, and here you can select your pattern density, which is a new feature. Let's say we're going to set it to medium, just see what it does. And then here you have your prompt, and I will now click generate. And as you can see here, I get 3 patterns from which I can choose to see which one I like best. And I think this one is looking really good. Now you can manage this variation. If you open your swatches window by going to window swatches if it's not open already, and then it will open this for you. As you can see here we have our patterns that were generated, and if you double click this, you can now, just like with the normal patterns you make yourself, you can give it a name, you can choose adjustment of the height and the width, size to tile art, move tile with art, which is also a nice option, and you can choose the overlap and the copies. Also dim copies to 70% or more or less, show tile edge and show swatch bounce. Those are all options you can adjust in here. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you like my video. Press the like button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. New videos going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.